So I got some good news. We are on our way to Iowa, and what we're doing today is we are going to pick up a 1979 International Scout. So a little bit of background on it is it's kind of been in my wife's family for a while now. We've kind of got some sentimental value to it, and it's pretty nice. We have a lot of plans for it. It's actually going to be my wife's vehicle, so we're thinking kind of doing some mods to it, wheels, tires, maybe wrapping it. We got a lot of plans for it. But first things first is we want to get it picked up, get it brought home, and we'll be able to let you guys take a look at it. So we're heading there. We got about a 5-hour drive, and we're going to be able to pick it up and show it to you guys. So I hope you enjoy the video. Well, good morning, guys. We made it here late last night. We're about 10 minutes away from getting the Scout. We're staying here at a little Airbnb. It's pretty much a shack, but it had a comfortable bed, so we did all right. We're staying right on the Mississippi River. So we are just a step closer to bringing home the Scout. We'll give you guys some more updates as we get it. All right, guys. Well, we're here in Iowa, and look what we picked up. We got our 1979 Scout. It's completely all original. Definitely not perfect, but it's pretty sweet. So we're pretty happy with it. Of course, this is going to be my wife's, so let us know what you think we should do to it. Should we leave it original? Should we go with wheels and tires? Should we go with a wrap? Should we paint it? Really, it's endless possibilities of what we can do. So let us know what you think, and let's check out the Scout. We got about a 5.5 hour drive to home, and then we'll get it unloaded and be able to drive it around. Let's get home. Well, guys, we're home. 1979 Scout. Let's unload it. Alright, guys, well, we got our Scout unloaded, and we love it. We've driven it around town, and it's a great vehicle. But as you know us, we just don't want to keep something stock for too long. So we picked up these guys. These are 22 by 12 drop stars on a 33 1250 22 tire. So as you can tell, they're quite a bit bigger than what is on it now. really, we bought these pretty cheap off of Facebook. We wanted to find something as a kind of a trial run. We didn't know what would fit on the Scout, and really just a trial run, pretty much. So we got them. We're going to put these on. They're probably not going to fit, but we're going to be able to see what kind of tire size we'll need after these. So it's nice to mention that these are, as you can tell, chrome wheels, and that's kind of different for us. We're always going with the black wheel, but my wife would like to go with chrome wheels on this, so that's what we bought. So another thing we wanted to mention is we bought these extremely cheap off Facebook, so that's kind of what we try to do when it comes to buying and selling things and trying new things, is buy it cheap enough to where we can maybe use it, maybe not, and still be able to sell it, maybe make a little bit of money on it as well. So for now, we are going to show you guys the install of putting these on, and we're going to see how bad it is. Well guys, our 22 by 12s that we bought, as you saw, they did not work at all. The hub bore wasn't big enough, they were too wide, they just didn't work. So therefore we went ahead and sold those. We bought them really cheap, as I mentioned, so we think we paid around 1,100 bucks for them, and I think we sold them for 1,600. So kind of cool, be able to buy them, try them. They didn't work, we sold them, made a little bit of money, went down the road. So that's how we like to do things. Therefore, we put that money toward this setup. So these are just a set of 20s, I think 20 by 10s, and they're sitting on amp tires. Fit perfect on our front. There is absolutely no rubbing at all, which is really what we wanted on this classic vehicle. So we really didn't want to have to cut anything, which is good. So a little bit of stance on the front, not really any on the back. Maybe put a spacer back there eventually to be able to even that out a little bit. But we think it looks pretty cool. So this is kind of the introduction to this Scout on our channel. You're going to be seeing a lot more of it. We're going to be doing a lot more cool things to it. So stay tuned for that. Let me know in the comments section what you think of it. Do you like it? Do you don't? And what would you do to it? So hope you enjoyed the video, and check out some of our roller shots too.